Welcome back to Two Guys Kitchen. I'm Rob, that's Max behind the camera, and we're going to be doing some problem solving today in the kitchen at the lake house. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to cook up, when you're cooking up some grease such as bacon. Here we go, some bacon. We're going to do some bacon today, and we're going to create some grease, and we're going to show you exactly how to get rid of it. A lot of people put it in a can, put it in a beer can, which never works because the little holes there, it doesn't work. So we're going to do a simple tip and trick for you for today, and so let's go. Alright, so let's throw some bacon in this pan. It's somewhat hot. Yeah, I got a little sizzle. That's perfect. Get a couple of slices in here. And of course, I'm just cooking bacon for fun today because we're just going to be using it for a tip and trick with our grease. And so there's no rhyme or reason of how this is going to be cooked.
I'm planning on lunch.
Lunch? Yeah, you're gonna have to talk to Dawn about that. All right, so here we go. We got some bacon in there, getting nice and cooked. Lots of fat, so create lots of grease for our tip and trick. So hang on. After 5 minutes, we'll be back with some bacon. Okay, now that the bacon is pretty much done, I'm gonna pull it off, turn down the heat a little bit, and hopefully not get splattered with grease. Put it on our plate here. Nice fatty bacon for the grease that we're looking for. All right. So we're gonna let that cool just a little bit, and be right back. And once it's cool, and we'll show you how to get rid of this grease. Okay, so we're back. All you need for this is some tin foil, and it's really super simple. Obviously, with the sink, you have your garbage disposal, and what we're going to do is lay down your tin foil, and you're going to make a cup. And you just kind of form it with your hand. You can keep it topple, obviously, and then you just lay it out so it catches all the grease that might splatter up, right? And then make it nice and tight. And grab a paper towel. Lay that in there because obviously not all grease will gel up. So this will soak it up, and then basically when we're done, all we're going to do is wrap it up. So let's throw some grease in there. Show you how it works. Nice and greasy. There you go. Doesn't like bacon grease. Alright, so now what we're going to do is just let it gel up, and when it does, I'll show you, just wrap it up, and we're going to throw it away, and that'll be it. So be right back. Okay guys, so we're back with the grease here. It's slowly gelling up. We had actually a lot of grease from the bacon. It's probably still a little hot. A lot of times if you're in a rush, you could throw a little ice cube in there. It's a little trick. It'll cool it down a lot faster, but in this case, the napkin is really just soaking it up. So what we're going to do is all you do is you fold it up like this, pinch the top, fold it over, and throw it away. And that's how you do it. So anyways, so for better tips and tricks, make sure you follow and like our pages. And we'll be back with new ones next week, every Thursday at 11 o'clock. So we look forward to seeing you. So see you later.